Hey there, garden lovers. Did you know that certain crops actually thrive in the cooler temperatures of fall? Yeah, that's right. This means you can extend your harvest season and keep that garden alive a little longer. So, let's dive into some amazing fall crops that you can plant. In today's video, you're going to discover 5 essential fall crops that can give you a bountiful harvest as those temperatures start to drop. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just getting started, these crops are perfect for ensuring your garden remains productive into the fall months. So, grab your gardening gloves and let's get started. Now, here's the thing, many gardeners often struggle to know what to plant in the fall. Maybe you're one of those folks who just let your garden bed sit empty as summer fades away. I get it, it can be tough figuring out what will grow well as the weather changes. But don't worry. In this video, we're going to tackle that challenge head on. I'll help you fill those empty spaces with crops that love the cooler weather. Alright, let's jump right into it. The first crop I want to talk about is kale. Kale is a superstar when it comes to fall gardening. It's cold hardy and can actually get sweeter after a frost. How cool is that? Just plant it in well-drained soil, and it'll keep growing until the snow flies. Next up is carrots. These crunchy little gems are perfect for fall. You can plant them late in the summer, and they'll be ready to harvest in the fall. Plus, they can stay in the ground until you're ready to eat them, making them super convenient. Now, let's talk about broccoli. This veggie is a fall favorite because it loves cooler temperatures. Start your seeds indoors, then transplant them outside when the weather cools down. Broccoli is not only delicious but also packed with nutrients, making it a great addition to your fall harvest. Moving on to beets. Beets are not only vibrant and colorful, but they're also quite hardy. You can plant them in late summer, and they'll grow beautifully in the fall. Plus, they're versatile, you can eat both the roots and the greens. Finally, we have spinach. Spinach. It's super easy to grow and thrives in cooler climates. You can plant spinach in late summer for a fall harvest, and it's packed with vitamins. Just make sure you keep it watered, and it will reward you with a lush crop. Now, here's the exciting part. Out of all these amazing crops, the top crop I want to reveal is, drum roll, please, kale. Not only does kale thrive in the fall, but it's also a culinary darling. You can toss it in salads, blend it in smoothies, or even bake it into crispy chips. Plus, its nutritional benefits are off the charts. You'll be doing your body a favor while enjoying delicious meals straight from your garden. So, let's recap the 5 essential fall crops we talked about today: kale, carrots, broccoli, beets, and spinach. Each of these crops offers unique benefits and can keep your garden productive well into the fall. It's really easy to keep your garden going with these options, and I hope you feel inspired to give them a try. Before you go, I'd love to hear from you. What are some of your favorite fall crops? Leave a comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Let's keep our gardens thriving together. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening, fallen leaf, corn, carrot, broccoli.